What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video we'll be taking a look at the EZVALO long-lasting under cabinet lights. These are affordable, easy to install, bright lights that go underneath your cabinets, giving you extra light in your kitchen for things like preparing meals and whenever you're hosting events. These definitely come in handy. Let's go ahead and get started. Thanks to EZVALO for sponsoring this video. First up, we'll go ahead and take this out of the box and see what all we're working with. We've got our USB-A to USB-C charge cable for charging the batteries. So we do have 4 of the metal plates with the sticky pads, and the actual magnets are on the back of the lights. Here's our 2 lights. The setup came with 3 batteries, which is great because you never have to worry about running out of battery. You can have 2 powered up while 1 is charging. And here's your user manual. We'll take a closer look at the actual light itself. So you do have your magnetic connection points on the top of the light. You have your actual light. You've got a touch pad here for controlling. You can turn this on and switch the color temperature, or a long press to adjust the brightness. This is your motion sensor. And on the side of the unit, you have your mode switch. So you can turn it either on or off, and you have your daytime and nighttime modes there as well. To get this powered up and going, you're just going to insert your battery, and it can only go one way, so you're not gonna mess this up. All right, and then we can just turn that on, and there we have it. For me, the first thing that really stands out about this lighting kit is just how easy they are to install. So ordinarily, if you wanted some under cabinet lights, this would require you to drill holes in your cabinet, mount them with screws, and then you'd have to run electricity over to those lights. The EZVALO lights, on the other hand, are super easy to install. You'll want to make sure to clean off the surface of the cabinet where you're going to put the lights up. Then you'll just attach the metal plates that come with the lights magnetically to the back of the lights, uncover the sticky tape on the back of the metal plates, and then just press and hold firmly for a few seconds, and then you're good to go. It literally only takes 5 to 10 seconds to install these lights, and anyone could do this. I love how on the back of the lights there is an indication of where the magnets are, so it's super easy to line these up with the metal plates and get a firm attachment. Because this light is magnetic, it can also attach to pretty much any other metallic surface that has magnetic properties. For instance, I was able to attach this to the door in my laundry room to give me some extra light in there. You could attach this to a filing cabinet or a desk. This might even come in handy under the hood of your car. Another thing that I really like about this setup is the fact that it comes with 3 rechargeable batteries. So this is battery powered. Like I said earlier, you don't have to run a line. Each battery has 2200 milliamp hours of battery capacity and can last up to 78 hours on minimum brightness or 6 hours at maximum brightness. This can even last anywhere from 30 to 60 days if you have this on the motion detection mode. Speaking of the motion detection mode, these lights have built-in PIR motion sensors, and you have 4 different modes: on, off, and then auto day and auto night mode. So during auto day mode, anytime that motion is detected within 10 feet at a 120-degree range, these will automatically turn on. When motion is no longer detected within 20 seconds, they'll turn back off, saving energy. With the auto night mode, this only turns on the lights if motion is detected during the nighttime. While the batteries last a very long time on a single charge, this kit does come with 3 separate batteries. So you have a battery for each light, plus an additional battery that you can keep charged up in case one of the batteries runs out of juice. All you have to do is quickly swap it and you're back in business. The lights are fully adjustable. You have 3 different color temperatures. You can choose between warm light at 3500 Kelvin, warm white light at 4200 Kelvin, or pure white light at 5700 Kelvin. And you can also freely adjust the brightness. A quick touch changes the color temperature, while a long press changes the brightness. These lights have definitely come in handy in my kitchen. The cabinets tend to block the lights, so when I'm trying to work underneath them on the countertops, the area is very dim, but these lights give me all the light I need to work comfortably underneath my cabinets. If you're looking for an affordable, high quality, easy to install set of under cabinet lights, then the EZVALO long-lasting under cabinet lights are definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description where you can find out more information about these lights and where you can pick up some for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.